you've heard of yo-yo test, it's going to be a modified version of yo-yo test. Yo-yo test is something which the cricketers have to pass to qualify for the cricket team, but it will be a modified version. I'll just explain what to do. Choose 2 points where you can run. Normally it's 20 meters, but you can choose any 2 points. And I'll have a Tabata timer with me. So for 20 seconds, you will have to run, and 10 seconds, you relax by walking. Okay, you cool down. So this will go on for 15 minutes. At any point of time, you feel that you want to give up, it's perfectly fine. You can give up and just relax and start walking. This another thing, the level will go up. When I say 20 seconds, and I will, before the round starts, I will tell you the number of steps to be completed. Round 1 and round 2, 20 steps. If you're not able to complete 20 steps twice, the test is over. So it is our own fitness test. Once you are done, just write the number of count in the chat box so that we know. And next time when we do the test, I think we need to improve ourselves. So we'll know what is our fitness level today, and we will also do it probably a month later. If you have any confusion, you can ask. I'll also show you once. So for example, this is my point A, starting point, and this is the other point. So when you're running for 20 seconds, okay, I'll say 20 steps. So you need to complete 20 steps before 20 seconds. If I say 26 steps, you need to complete 26 steps before 20 seconds, before the alarm ring. I'll just show you one, for example. I'll start the timer. Just observe. So 20 steps, okay, for the first round. So I'm done with 20 steps, okay, before the time, and I can relax by just walking. So this is the time. Okay, so get ready for the next round, 20 steps again. And then relax. Okay, so this is how we will be going forward. Okay, round 1, 20 steps in 20 seconds. Round 7, 26 steps. We're done with 10 rounds. Any point of time you want to give up, you can just relax and start, just do normal walk. Next round, 30 steps. Starting with round 20 now, 36 steps. Start. Let's level up now, 38 steps. Start. Let's do 42 steps, last round. Relax, and we can all clap for ourselves. Amazing, amazing, guys. Well done.
Awesome.
It's awesome. Like all of you have been brilliant and amazing fitness. Great work. So all you can write down in the comments how many rounds you have been able to complete. Just note down whatever is the number of rounds. Let us improve our fitness and improve ourselves. It's time for selfie now. All of you are sweating, so let's take a selfie. Come to the camera and give a smile. 1, 2, 3, and click.